have this 570 McLaren right here that we're doing a lot of mods on. We just got the tune done on it, and right now we're gonna be decatting this car for off-road use only, by the way. Right here is the new pipes. These cars, the back section, the muffler section is very small, doesn't need much. So this car, we're only doing the cap pipes. I'm gonna open it up right now the manly way and not using any things. We have the 570 and 650S cap pipe. They fit the same. Number 69, which is a great number to have. This guy is gonna make all the difference with this car. As you can see, it's a straight through design. That in there, where the O2 sensor is gonna go, it's gonna help it, you know, not have that check engine light. This thing has a Novatec wing on it. We did black wheels, powder coated on it. Looks really nice in this orange and black combination, and now it's gonna look, sound, and perform really good. So, whoever comes to the shop gets this free sticker. It's a very simple sticker, can't damage anything, peels out. So obviously like this, it's matte, so it's really cool. You could do some cool stuff with this too. You could take the outside out.
And you can save the sticker for later.
What in the world does this have to do with the sticker?
When you want to go out, you have this over it.
Okay.
Like when you're going out, and then when you get home, you take it off.
His nipples are hard, dude. Why?
This car might look familiar to you guys. It's the Bmw X6m. This car, we wrapped it originally matte army green. Shortly after, customer wanted to do the matte gray, and now it's back to matte army green. So third time, it's going back to its original color, the matte army green. Normally, whoever gets matte army green, they usually stay in love with it. I did my old Range Rover matte army green. I love that color. I was really gonna do it on the Urus, but I decided to do that white. It might be my next color, we'll see. But matte army green X6m looks incredible. Sitting on Forgiato gloss black wheels. This car is ready to go. Sarkis.
They punched him right in the face. Welcome to LA. This is what happens, right?
The ambulance is coming too, probably on the way. Why is there so much violence everywhere? It's crazy.
Maybe it's because they don't work at RDB. If they work at RDB, there would be zero violence. There will be happiness, fun, positivity.
Happiness, fun, positivity.
Probably. I agree. It's true. Friday evening, we're getting ready to finish up the day. About an hour to go. We just did front and rear brake pads, rotors, and sensors on this car. These cars go through brakes pretty quick. I mean, the car only has 17,000 miles and already time for brakes. It's a heavy car, so yeah, they do go through brakes pretty quickly. Anything, any kind of car, doesn't matter what it is, you guys come to RDBLA for your mechanical needs, customization as well, whatever you guys need. Nice. Okay.
Oh, I can. Yeah, you can make it ready. Start working on it. I told you working on it 3 days ago. No. This is the key. That's the key to the Tesla. No. I need you to fix it.
So here we have Jake Paul's Tesla. This is the Model X. It's matte black, it's blacked out. He's got some dark tints on there. As you guys know, he's pretty popular, so people notice him, go crazy. Unfortunately, he keeps getting tickets. So we're gonna be taking the tint off. He's gonna be taking pictures and correcting his tickets. So unfortunately in California, we cannot have tint on the front windows. The back, you can do whatever you want. The front, you cannot have tints. Even though it's hot here most of the time, it's sunny. You can't have tints, unfortunately. So we're gonna have to help out Jake Paul with this one. All right, so we just got the RDB Auto Care foam cannon, and we just sprayed up this beautiful orange McLaren 570S. I may have got too much foam on it because it's taking me some time to get the foam off now. It's pretty fun. I never really cared to wash cars, but RDB Auto Care line, I found a new career. So this pressure washer we're using is only 1600 PSI, which is honestly as low as it gets. I believe we bought that for somewhere in the $100 range, so pretty cheap and small. So you guys could get a better one, it'll do even more foam, more pressure. All right, we're in the orange McLaren 570S. Look at this little tiny rearview camera. Still on their old little technology, but I mean, it helps. At least it has a camera, but it's really tiny. Right now we're taking it for a test drive to feel the tune. It's supposed to make a lot of power, almost about 100 horsepower, which obviously, you know, driving you could feel. But we also did the cat delete pipes, so that's gonna help a lot. So this car, I would say, is probably getting another 150 horsepower with these upgrades, which is significant. We are in Los Angeles and the streets are busy. So we're gonna try to like open her up just a little bit, but nothing high speed. It's losing traction. This car is very nimble. I'm not the biggest MP4 570 fan. I would probably get a Huracan over this any day, but you know, it's still a cool car. It's losing traction, which I have it on track mode and power mode. A lot of traction loss. Definitely gets squirrely, so you gotta be careful. This thing has a lot of power now, and it sounds really good. So I'm happy with it, man. I mean, it's a little too powerful for its size, but customer's gonna love it. When we first started the car, it was at 25%. I mean, we barely drove 2 miles. It's at 19% now. All right, so one of our rap guys over here bought a new car. He actually has 2 cars now. Everybody seems to be getting cars on cars here at RDB, but here he is with his new car. It's like a forest green color, actually pretty cool. I don't know why he has the front bumper protecting things on. Everybody's gonna talk shit about that for sure. What we want you guys to decide is what color stripe he wants to do on it. I actually think that yellow contrast is kind of dope. So I would say yellow calipers with a yellow stripe. Let us know what you guys think he should do to his new car.
Hey todos, me gusta mi nuevo carro. Le voy a hacer unas stripe y quiero ver qué colores le gustan para hacerlo. Y le voy a hacer calipers amarillos. Hagan sus opiniones y vamos a ver qué color hacemos las stripe.